Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today we are gonna repaste an old GPU. The first step is to unscrew all of these screws. I did unscrew those screws, so we got this result. I got the back plate right in my left hand and the GPU right here. So these are the VRAMs and these are the heat sinks for the VRAMs. So we are gonna clean it. So this is the result. So we are gonna right now replace this dirty GPU. What type of gooch is this? This is like dirt or what? This is the result on the GPU, but we are gonna clean and the heatsink. These are the results on the PRM heatsink, on the GPU die, and on the heatsink. So we are gonna repaste it. We are also gonna put some thermal paste on the VRAM. So first of all, we are gonna remove these old thermal pads. I finally did clean this heatsink. It was so hard to clean it, because this is the mess that I did make it, trying to clean it. So I'm gonna try to clean this one. But first I'm gonna repaste this. This is the result. So we are gonna pop all of the this and this back in place. But before that, we are gonna clean this. I finally managed to clean this heatsink, so now we are gonna put some thermal paste on this VRAM. So after that we are gonna screw this back and we are gonna now open this heatsink to see what is gonna be there. So this is what I did. So right now I'm gonna screw this back into the GPU. So we are gonna unscrew this to see what is right here. So I did screw the back plate back at the GPU. So we are gonna unscrew these screws to see what is below this heatsink. So this is what it was under that heatsink. This is the heatsink, by the way, and we have like capacitors or something like that, but it is very nasty. So we are gonna clean it, because I can't believe my eyes that this graphics card was never cleaned before. Now it is much better, so we are gonna put again some thermal paste, but very little, because we can touch the board and we can fry it. Finally, after all of these hours, we did it. I've put all of the thermal paste in this and in the back plate, but I have bad news. I ran out of it. But at least I did finish my work. After all of the time that I've put in this graphics card, I finished the work. So, thank you guys for watching my video. Please click the like button and the subscribe button, because I really appreciate it when you are gonna click it, because it is my first video and I have no experience in editing and filming something, and I'm sorry for the low quality video that I did film it, and I think you could understand something that I tried to teach you. So I guess in the next video I will try like to teach you how to put correctly a RAM stick, and or possibly CPU, because I don't want you to like break it or something like that, because I did break RAM 6 motherboards and everything like that in the past. So goodbye.